The Huawei P30 Pro is one of the most interesting camera phones out there right now. The main new innovations are a periscopic zoom lens camera and a super sensitive sensor that can see in the dark. So let's unbox this device to see what all you get in the box and check out some camera samples as well. Before we do that, do hit that subscribe button with that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. So here's the box. It's a pretty simple box. Let's get into it and open the box. You can see the device here on the top. It's got a curved screen at the edges, just like the Mate 20 Pro. Front and back, it looks really interesting, the design, mainly because of this color, which as we peel the plastic off, you can see how reflective it is, and you can also see the curved edges at the front. And just look at how very interesting the color is. It's got a rainbow-like gradient. It's called the breathing crystal color. And taking a closer look at the main camera unit, you can see the periscopic zoom lens and of course this color again, as you can see up close. Very interesting. So let's take a closer look at the device. At the bottom you have the USB-C port, the speaker, the SIM card tray and the primary microphone. And then over at the top you have the IR LED or maybe the ambient light sensor, we are not sure yet, and also the secondary microphone. And over at the sides you have the power button, which is colored with an orange accent, and also the volume rocker. This is all on the right side. Let's open up the box to find out the rest of the contents. Of course you have the TPU case inside. This can be used to have a marginal amount of protection for your device. So let's put the device in. You have the SIM card ejector tool, the 40 watts supercharger from Huawei, which can be used with this USB-C cable, and also you have a very Apple looking USB-C type earphones. So now let's take a look at the device itself. This is EMUI. You can see the display looks really good. You can notice the teardrop notch here at the top. It's very minimal and also a very small chin. The display looks great outdoors and the design also looks pretty interesting outdoors. The main USB of the phone is of course the camera, which can zoom into 5x without any loss of image quality, and you can do 10x with hybrid zoom, software enabled hybrid zoom, and you can do some really low light photography with literally pitch dark environments and still get a usable photo. So here are some camera samples with zoom and at various focal lengths and various other samples. Take a look at them and let us know what you think in the comment section below. We hope you liked this video. Again, if you did, do hit that subscribe button and that bell icon, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Enjoy these samples.